Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. First of all, I would like to congratulate the organizer, of course, Peter, Brian, and also the host of this very important symposium and forum that lasted for 1 week. My experience in this 1 week symposium and forum is indeed, it's very difficult to become a host. We have a lot of restless days, getting the concerns of the different delegates coming from, of course, more than 50 model forests. But with that, I am not telling you that if in case next time, if Peter will say that the Asia will be the one hosting for the next forum, we will decline. Most especially that the Regional Model Forest Network in Asia, our chairman is not around. In fact, we are 12 in the delegation, and we have follow teamwork and, of course, tasking in the absence of our chairman. Of course, we have the 2 Thais delegate. We have 3 from India, we have 2 from Indonesia, and we are 5 from the Philippines. Now, both the 2 days symposium and the global forum, including the 1-day visit to the model forest in Spain, are the best avenue to share knowledge, review accomplishment, and to look forward on the things to be done in the next 3 years and beyond at the model forest, at the regional model forest, and the international model forest levels. The symposium, of course, enriches our minds with ideas on how to move forward. And thank you for the different presenters on the first day, facilitators, and the reactor for the job well done. The Global Forum provided the regional network the opportunity to share our accomplishment, priorities, and challenges and opportunities on how strategic initiative with action plan to move forward on the next years. Of course, thank you very much for the presentation made by Lodi in the accomplishment and the priorities of Regional Model Forest Network in Asia. The presentation of Dr. Rong Nafar for our comments, giving our comments on the Charter, International Model Forest Charter. Indeed, that demonstrated teamwork in the Regional Model Forest Network in Asia. The meeting at the Regional Model Forest Network meeting and during the first day and the 2 days symposium and the Global Forum give us the opportunity also to review the strategic activities and performance for the past 3 years. With that, we are able to see that there is a need to strengthen communication of the Regional Model Forest Network. There is a need to revisit the capability and the need to strengthen operations of the Regional Model Forest Network, particularly in the prioritizing activities and sourcing of funds. So in behalf of Mr. Jiang, our chairman, it's in China right now, the Regional Model Forest Network in Asia, we would like to convey our sincere thanks to the organizer. Of course, I mentioned second time to Peter, Brian, Patrick, and of course to Pilar, whom we have contacted since the start of the month of January to make our trip very possible in Spain. because this is my first time also in Spain. And most especially to the host region, of course, for the hospitality and support that make our stay in Spain very meaningful. Thank you very much.